I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your iPad is ready. Check iPad OS 14 or later and enough free storage so widgets install cleanly. Next, open the App Store and install or update Duolingo, then sign into the account you want associated with the widget. Once done, long press any empty area on the home screen until apps jiggle. This puts you in widget placement mode. Make sure you're on the exact home or today screen, where you want quick access to lessons and streak info. Once in jiggle mode, tap the plus icon at the top left to open the widget gallery, then search for Duolingo or scroll until you find it. You'll see size choices. Small shows quick streaks, medium adds lesson shortcuts, large gives more stats, so pick the one matching how much info you want at a glance. Drag the chosen widget onto your home screen or today view and release. You can reposition it by dragging. When it looks right, tap Done to lock placement and return to normal use. After placing the widget, open Duolingo so the app can sync your profile, progress, and widget data. This step ensures the widget shows current lessons and streaks. If the widget stays blank or stale, remove it, then re-add it. If that fails, restart your iPad to clear cache and retry. Also make sure background app refresh and notifications are enabled for Duolingo, because widgets rely on those permissions for live updates. If problems persist, update iPad OS and the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.